May telephone booth again, yung unang panahon. Illumination. Illusion. Ayan, may life size. Ano ni Superman. Sassy! Sassy! Sassy!
Ready, set, go!
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me.
Oh, na, na, na. Put your hands in the air if you love.
So, ito po yung entrance sa Oceanarium. Pangit naman ito po. Ayan. May telephone booth again. Yung unang panahon. Comic store. Ayan po. Phone booth. John Friends like post like a favorite. Ayun. Hala. Ito yun. So, ito po. Use a super sand and strike a pole.
Dito siya tatay, oh.
Ikaw din, Dad. Ikaw. Ikaw din. Dali. Ano naman nandito? At illusion. Yes, kryptonite. Yes, that one. Ganda. Yes. Kryptonite.
Sorry, but I lost.
Lost. So, ito ang collection ni Superman. Ayan. Uy, ano itong ayan, ang dami. Naman po kami ngayon dito sa SEALION. Ayan, SEALION naman. SEALION. Tatlo. Ayan, pasok kami dito. Ito po ang SEALION. So, ayan. Wag na din. Hirap ng vlogger. Hirap na masaya po. Mahirap na masaya. Ito yung sinasabi natin, business with pleasure. So, mainit lang po. Si Jay. Jay.
Our flag-facing bird, Chaco. Chaco is our Kuka Kakatsuki. Scientific name is Kakatua mollicensis. These birds can be found in eastern Indonesia, and they are the largest among the white cockatoos. Go, Chaco. There you go. The show has officially started. We're only divided into 8 groups. All the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on, girls. Let's cheer for Sassy.
Sassy! 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 Sassy!
Shall be. Remember, guys, that boys already 1 point. To girls, let's cheer for Sassy to win this time. years old. Scientific ladies are the Tortera. They typically be conceived nuts, salt, and minerals along river banks. And for the last shape, there you go. It's our Philippine Eagle out. Here comes
Philippine Eagle.
Scientific ladies.
Yeah!
Vice President also are related to the Wallace and President.
The
Now let's
Philippine
all welcome
Eagle.
our family guy, Chief Sunshine.
Hello!
Running out of sports at last year's Olympics.
I don't want!
These first will be followed India, Indonesia, Bangladesh. Yes! And as you can see, we are they are genetically ensuring sweetness and meat. A round of applause for our raptors, our chickens, and our growing pigeons. Residing very good. Here's what the proper waste disposal. Very good. He's right. If the birds can do it, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, before we start our show, are the birds spectacular?
Yes!
Well, in our own way, no matter how small efforts, let's take action in the shadows. Trainer April with Rocky. Trainer Jerry with Body. Trainer First and Trainer Beats with the chickens. Trainer Jamie with the holy pigeons. Give it up for Sea Lion
Saan
Friends.
ko lalabas? There you go! There you go! Kami! Yes!
Hello, with your trainers, one at a time. On your left side is the eldest female South American Sicilian that last year. And according to her trainer, she is the smartest. Wow!
Wow!
Her name's Yanni. Together with her, say hi! While on the other side is the youngest female South American Sicilian that last year. And according to her trainer, she is the cutest.
Wow! The cutest!
Together, Trainer Jamie, say hello! And then starts with Ira, the cutest. Sea lions are generally cruise around 11 miles per hour using the rowing movement of their wrong fingers. All the fingers are stretched out behind their bodies, pushing out rudders for steering. And that is their normal swim. Nice and easy. Thanks so much, Ira and Trainer Jamie. Wow, when chasing their prey or escaping from pressures, they can achieve first with actually ready. 2.5 miles per hour. Wow, look at that. That is so fast. A run of applause for Yanni, the smartest. Wow, nice slide. And another one. no hunting. You can learn more about this inside our ocean area. Always keep in mind that we are the stewards of our planet and us. Each one of us must including ourselves. So on behalf of Vienny and Trader Jerry, we all hope you like and visit us again soon. So take care and have a nice day. Say goodbye now, Darcel.
Please exit at the left side of the quadra by the narrow tree.
Yan, tapos na.
Guys, so we're in People's Park in the Sky again.
No.
It's like a...
So, we will end our vlog here. So, we hope you enjoyed our video from Ocean Park. So,
Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates and like the video and comment if you like to. See you in the next vlog. See you in the next vlog. See you Dimensioners in our next